In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Vercel project. First of all, you need to go to your Vercel account, open the dashboard and click on your project. Then you need to click on the settings in the top menu and go to the domains. Now you need to click on add domain and you need to enter your domain. If you don't remember it, you can go to the Hostinger, log into your account, then click domains and scroll a little bit down. Right here you will see your domains list. Let's copy the domain and paste it right here. Then click the save button and then we need to click on it and go to the Vercel DNS. We need to change our name servers, so let's copy the first name server, go back to Hostinger and click on manage across your domain name. After that we need to select DNS name servers in the left menu and we need to click on change name servers. So let's delete the old ones and paste the first name server in the first row, then the second one in the second row and click the save button. So as you can see, we have changed the name servers. Now we need to wait around 24 hours and our domain will be connected to the Vercel project. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.